Hey everyone, let's discuss complete ER diagram of a university. Till now we discussed part by part. So this is the ER diagram for a university. Here we have different entity set and relationship. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 entity set. From this section is the weak entity set. Rest all are the strong entity. There is a unary relationship from course to course. Rest all are binary relationship. Now from course to department, relationship is course department. The participation is total. That's why there is a double line. It's a many to one relationship. There can be many course for one department. Now the relationship from instructor to department, that is instructor department. Here also participation is total and it's also a many to one relationship. Okay, there can be many instructor in one department. Now relationship from students to department, that is student department. This participation is also total. Okay, all students should be in a part of department and this relation is also many to one. Okay, there can be many students in one department. There is an advisor relationship between student and instructor. This relationship is many to one. So there can be many students advised under one instructor. The participation is not total as there is no double line. So some student may not be advised by some instructor. Next, relationship between section and instructor, that is teaches. So instructor teaches in section. This participation is total and relationship is many to many. Okay, there are no arrow mark. So one instructor can teach in many section and one section can be taught by many instructor. And the relation section student, it's also many to many. Okay, there is no arrow mark and text have a descriptive attribute, that is grade. Section is a weak entity set. Relationship is section course. So section course that relate course with the section. This is the weak entity set. Participation is total and its owner entity set is course. Here you can mark section ID, semester, year, all are dashed. Dashed means this is a weak entity set. And for weak entity set, the relationship should be double diamond. Here section course is double diamond. So its owner entity set is course, or you can say identifying entity set is course. Section also related with time slot by section time slot relationship. This participation is total, relationship is many to one. Here also this participation is total, relationship is many to one. So section is related with course as many to one. There can be many section in one course. Section is also related with time slot as many to one. Section also related with classroom as section class. Here participation is total and relationship is many to one. Classroom has two primary key, building and room number. If any attribute is underlined, that's the primary key. And if it is dashed underline, then these are the discriminator for weak entity set. So here we have some constraint that each instructor must have exactly one associated department, indicating total participation of instructor in instructor department. Here the participation is total. So each instructor must be associated with exactly one department. There is an arrow from instructor department to department. Here you can see, indicating that each instructor can have at most one associated department. This is a many to one relationship. Participation is total and relationship is many to one. The relationship text has a descriptive attribute grade and each student has at most one advisor. Here this side is one, this side is many. So there can be many students for one instructor. Each student at most one advisor, means it may have 0 advisor or 1 advisor. And section is the weak entity set with discriminator section ID, semester and year. Section course is the identifying relationship that relating weak entity set to its strong entity set, that is course. So this is the ER diagram. From this ER diagram, we can identify which are the entity represented in the rectangle, which are the strong entity and which are the weak entity. In case of weak entity, all the attributes are dashed line, and in case of strong entity, only primary key is underline. The diamond shape is for relationship, and double diamond that is related with a weak entity set. So here section course is double diamond that is related with the weak entity set section. If entity set to relationship set is double line, means the participation is total, and if there is a arrow mark, means that is one side. If there is just line, means that is many side. And if a relationship have some attribute, that is the descriptive attribute. Here grade is the descriptive attribute for text. So that's all we can understand from a EA diagram. In next lecture, I will discuss how we can represent ER diagram in a relational schema. How we can convert ER diagram to the real table. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.